Hi everyone, welcome to a new video on my YouTube channel BD's Lab. In this video, I am going to speak about ethanol production in industries. Through a block diagram I have made especially for this video. The main raw material for ethanol production is any kind of fermentable sugar. Although ethanol production can be done from saccharine or cellulosic material or starchy raw material, but if the raw material is cellulosic or starchy, we need to do some of the pretreatments on them before converting them into glucose for our ethanol production. Now I will discuss about some of the pretreatments we can do if the raw material is starchy or cellulosic. If the raw material is starchy, then we can do acid hydrolysis treatment in which sulfuric acid will convert starch into saccharified starch which can then be used for ethanol production. Also, we can treat starchy raw material with amylolytic enzyme for converting them into glucose or into glucose or saccharin. If the raw material is cellulosic in nature, then we can do only acid hydrolysis. Alcohol production or ethanol production is an anaerobic process which requires microorganisms like yeast or bacteria. Yeast belonging to genus Saccharomyces like Saccharomyces cerevisiae or Saccharomyces carlsbergensis usually are used for ethanol production. Also, a bacteria known as Zymomonas mobilis is also used by some industries for ethanol production. It have been estimated that from 100 kilograms of glucose we can ideally get 51.1 kg of ethanol stoichiometrically. Alcohol fermentation or production can be done by two mechanisms. They are Newberg theory and Emden-Meyerhoff-Peymer pathway or EMP pathway. Newberg theory states that glucose is converted into ethanol in 6 steps. First of all, glucose is converted into hydrated methyl glyoxal, which gets converted into methyl glyoxal. The methyl glyoxal is converted into pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is converted into acetaldehyde and that acetaldehyde gets transferred into ethanol, which is our final product. This is the block diagram of ethanol fermentation process carried in industry. The raw material referred to as feedstock is given for processing, which is then handled based on their nature. The feed is pre-treated based on if they are saccharine, cellulosic or starchy. Cellulosic and starchy materials usually require acid hydrolysis pretreatment in which sulfuric acid or hydrochloric acid is used. Also, enzymes like amylase is also used for pretreatment of raw materials which are starchy. After pretreatment, the product goes for hydrolysis and fermentation. Ethanol fermentation occurs at an acidic pH of 4. The water received from pretreatment is usually regarded as wastewater and used for running turbogenerator, applicable during hydrolysis and fermentation. After hydrolysis and fermentation, distillation, dehydration and separation of ethanol takes place. Not all alcohols are distilled. Whiskey, rum and vodka are distilled alcohols, while wine, beer and cider are some of the non-distilled alcohols. Finally, we can get our desired ethanol through fermentation carried in industries.